The Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 SUV versus Pirelli Ice Friction. Once established Nordic studdless benchmark meets Pirelli's all-new 2025 Friction Challenger. We'll look at ice, snow, wet, dry, noise, efficiency and price to see which one really deserves a place under your SUV this winter. Throughout this comparison, the performance metrics are expressed in percentages, with the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 SUV set as the reference point at 100%. These results are sourced from 2025 Ribiligara's studdless tyre test. On ice, the Pirelli stops 0.05 meters shorter than Nokian in braking, which rounds out to roughly about 0% difference. Nokian hits back in ice traction, accelerating 0.21 seconds faster, roughly 4% better at digging itself out. In ice handling, Pirelli laps 0.8 seconds faster, about 1% ahead. In practice, they trade in tiny wins and feel basically neck on neck on polished ice. On snow, the pattern is similar. Pirelli stops 0.03 meters shorter in snow braking, effectively a 0% gap. It's 0.02 seconds quicker in snow traction, around 1% stronger getting off the line, and 0.2 seconds faster in snow handling, again rounding to about 0%. Across the white snow, Pirelli just stay a touch ahead, but both tyres deliver almost identical snow behavior in the real world. In the wet, things flip. Nokian brakes 2.36 meters shorter, about 5% better in wet braking, while Pirelli is 0.6 seconds quicker in wet handling and holds 4 km per hour longer before aquaplaning, roughly 6% stronger. On dry roads, Pirelli clearly leads. Ice Friction stops about 2 meters shorter than the Hakkapeliitta and scores 2 points higher in subjective handling. If your winter has a lot of cold, dry asphalt, Pirelli is a more enjoyable choice. In terms of noise, Nokian runs 0.7 dB quieter than Pirelli, about a 1% reduction, giving a slight calmer and more refined cabin. Fuel consumption on the other hand is dead heat. Both tyres return 6.4 litre per 100 km in the test, so there's effectively 0% difference. When it comes to price, the Pirelli Ice Friction comes in roughly 24% lower than the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 SUV for the same 235/60 R18 size. In summary, the Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 SUV excels in wet braking, noise, and the extra bite in ice traction. On the other hand, the Pirelli Ice Friction is slightly better in snow and ice handling, stronger aquaplaning resistance, and at a much lower price.
Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.